Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you about the double tap to screen off or awake feature in your device Infinix Zero 30. But before we talk about that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video.